Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today I have for you an easy and affordable way to black out your tail lights and reverse lights on your 2010 to 2013 Camaro without having to go through the process of making it permanent. Take a look at our Phastek blackout kits that are available in both a light and dark finish. The light version of the kit will give you a subtle tinted effect that will still leave the red in your tail lights visible during the day. The dark version of the kit will give your Camaro a completely darked out finish but still allow light to shine through. These kits will include pre-cut tail light and reverse light overlays. Installation is going to be fairly simple and should only take about 30 minutes of our time. You will need a spray bottle with a little bit of water to help adjust the film and get it just right. And a microfiber towel is needed to push any excess water out from behind the film. When applying the film, you want to start at the top, get the tops lined up as perfectly as possible, then go back to the center and squeeze all the water from the center out through the edges. The reverse light section will simply require you to tuck the film behind the bumper and push the film down flat. Then we can push the excess water out. Once everything is completely dry, you can now sit back and take a look at your newly finished taillights. There you have it, guys, an easy, affordable solution to black out your 2010 to 2013 Camaro taillights. Thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.